I'm Scott Starratt with Starratt Wealth Management at Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. One area that's enjoyed an increase in popularity over the last 5 years has been the use of hedge funds in client portfolios. Today I'd like to quickly go through one of the more popular types of hedge funds, the market neutral fund. Just like it sounds, market neutral fund attempts to generate a return while removing most of the general market risk. Now, there's significant debate in the investment industry as to what market neutrality actually means, and there's no real consensus around it. Our view's a little bit more rigid than some, in that we expect the removal of most of the market risk plus or minus 10%. The idea behind market neutral is that the manager, let's say for example, takes 100 companies that they like and buys them or bets on them. Then they take 100 companies that they don't like and bet against them, or what we call shorting them. A short is when you borrow shares from someone else and sell them into the market. The hope is that when you need to repay those shares to that individual, you're able to buy them in the market cheaper. Under this scenario, typically good companies do better than bad companies, or in other words, the good companies that you bet on do better than the bad companies that you bet against. If that happens, you make money. The scenario also acts to remove much of the risk or volatility in the fund. If the market takes a big drop down, the companies you own will drop, but the companies you have shorted or bet against will go up. The idea being is that the good companies should do better than the bad companies when the market drops. So long as the good companies do better than the bad companies, you make money. The outcome should be a reasonable return without the extreme fluctuations that can sometimes occur in the stock market. It's important to understand the manager's definition of market neutrality before investing. It's just as important to understand the manager's risk management strategies as it applies to betting against or shorting the stocks that they are doing. Starratt Wealth Management has been helping successful families meet their financial goals for over 27 years. We specialize in evaluating hedge funds such as market neutral funds. If you'd like to know more, please reach out to us.